Hello again and welcome to part 4. This segment will involve me carrying out something else which is very important to ensure that the computer's speed is up to standards, the process of defragmentation. This is very easy to do, but it takes several hours to complete, therefore this video will just show you the steps before and after the defragmentation process. Click the Start button on your operating system. On the Start menu, click the Accessories folder and then click the next folder called System Tools. Here, click Disk Defragmenter. Check the defragmentation schedule to ensure that it is convenient for you and then click Defragment Now. Select all the drives which you wish to be defragmented. By default, all installed drives will be defragmented. This is fine, so now click OK. When you click the button, the defragmentation process will now begin. This takes about 3 to 4 hours to complete, so it's best to leave your PC to do it, otherwise it only takes even longer to complete, so just be patient. In part 5, I'm going to be using a third-party utility. Hello and welcome back to part 5. I'll now show you how to archive folders using the compression tool WinRAR. As an example, I'll produce an archive of my schoolwork folder. Open up WinRAR using the desktop shortcut. Use the up one level button to pan through the folder tree to your user area. Click the Documents folder and then highlight the My Schoolwork folder with a single click. Now click the Add button on the toolbar at the top of the screen. Check the various features that appear in the Archive Name and Parameters dialog box to make sure they are all correct. These all look fine, so click OK. WinRAR will now begin to bind the My Schoolwork folder and all the other folders and files into one archive. This does take a few minutes, so it's just a simple case of waiting until it's completed. The end result is a single RAR file with the same name as the folder you've archived. However, how do you go about archiving the folder so that you can access its contents? The answer is simple. We simply carry out the reverse process, extraction. Highlight the RAR file by clicking on it, and then click the Extract To button on the toolbar. A dialog box entitled Extraction Path and Options will appear. This is where you select the destination for the RAW files and folders. Just for the sake of example, I will extract the files to my PC C drive. When you've done this, hit OK and the extraction process begins. The final segment of this roadshow will demonstrate how to carry out a file management task. On the final part of my roadshow, we shall be examining how to back up and burn data onto a DVD disc. As an example, I will back up my schoolwork folder used previously. Insert a blank DVD into your optical drive. Open up your DVD burning software using the desktop shortcut. When the launcher appears, click the Audio/Data Disk menu and choose Data Disk. After a few seconds, the burning facility will open, allowing you to drag and drop the files you want to burn. Use the folder tree in the top half of the window to locate the folder you want to burn. Then hold down your right mouse button and drag and drop the folder into the small white space in the bottom left hand corner of the window. Check that the folder will be accommodated fully on a DVD disc. This folder will fit perfectly onto the DVD disc. All that remains now, therefore, is to click the Burn Disk button on the toolbar at the top of the screen. You will now get a dialog box appear entitled Burning Options. This is where you finalise the burning procedure by giving the disc a label and ensuring that a few options are selected. Enter the disc label into the label box. I will simply name the disc Schoolwork. And then check the remaining boxes to ensure all the details are correct. i.e. that you are going to use the correct optical drive and create the number of copies. These will look fine, so with this, you're now ready to burn the data onto the DVD. So just click the button in the bottom right hand corner of the dialog box to begin the burning procedure. Thank you for watching my roadshow.